Welcome back to Daytime Live. Now, it's been a long time since this gentleman has graced our show, but he's now back to talk to us about his brand new album and also his single. Welcome back, the Bush Lord. He has gotten the name Sir Bush over the last couple of days. Yaksta, welcome, brother.
Yeah, man, I'm just there, man. Wagwan. How's everything? Beautiful, Wagwan.
Everything is nice. It's so good to have you. It's been like a while, though.
I don't know. It's not well, really.
You've been on tour, countries and countries, preparing. Tell us about that.
It's a life-changing experience for me personally. You know, it's like wanting something and living it is totally different. You know,
Facts.
I mean, it's like there's so many moving pieces and parts where sometimes you can't even fathom, you know, because everything is just moving so fast.
Facts.
But for me personally, I'm most grateful because really and truly, I never had to be graced by the divine spirits of the most universe, you know? So yeah, me just kind of give thanks.
Yeah.
And yeah,
we're proud of you.
Give eyes,
We're happy, listen, listen, brother.
Yeah, I was here about touring in different countries and stuff.
Yeah.
Tell me two of the countries that you have, two countries that you have gone to, and two things you remember about, or some you remember about.
The first time I go to Germany and see this, the cathedral, where them have, it was mind blowing because I normally see that on TV and wanted to see. You know, Austria was the next place where them film, Chronicle of Narnia.
Yeah.
Seeing the whole big valley and them couple places is a vibe.
All right.
So the land which I know.
So we see as well that you've been promoting your new single.
Yeah.
Yes. Tell us about the single. Walkie, what's it called? All
right. Well, Walking My Shoes was actually a viral single that produced by myself and my team Bush Music alongside with the Leaders Production. But now there's a next single from the next album that will be released next year called Late Bloomer that produced by Kabaka Pyramid and yours truly. It's called Panda Island, you know? It's like this song I know, real and truly, is like when I say now, a earwave creeper. Because from the song release, literally every radio station A-listed that song specifically, but walk inside my shoes just for the streets, you know?
Walk inside of my shoes.
Yeah.
I like it already. Listen.
I mean, while you're talking, maybe we can get out, you know?
Yeah.
Like a walk inside your shoes.
But for your album 22, tell me some artists, some producers who are on this album.
Andrew Blacks, you know, predominantly one of the executive producers. We had John Coop from Skengzem Group, you know, and Buddha. We also worked with myself, you know. We have Tip God Music as one of the producers. Artists like Ragging King, DeMarco Chronicler, Monifa, you know, because she's a young protege, same way. You know Monifa?
You know Monifa from Persons of Interest?
And Marlon Easy, as usual.
Love that.
Yeah.
So the album is called 22. What is the significance of the 22?
That actually encapsulates...
22?
Yeah, well, really and truly, it's a definition of my life per se, but also life itself. You know, because you know, every single thing is in the period two. Two eyes, two nostrils, you know, your skin is also in two different genetics and genes and two different sexual gender. You see me? You have me, when we just turned 22, we get my first youth, and in the year 2022, me actually get my first accolades in the music, and basically the first world tour.
Yeah.
And then my second daughter. So every single thing just aligned with the number. 22.
Two children.
Yeah, two everything.
22, everything.
Yeah. So I just come from it.
All right.
What was one of your favorite tracks
22?
to work on 22?
Immortalize.
Immortalize.
Because at that time, I didn't go through a lot of things within myself, you know?
Which number is that?
Okay. So we're not gonna play Immortalize, but we're gonna play one of your songs then. We're gonna play the happy song.
Yeah.
All right, let's take a little listen to the happy song. Love that. Okay. We want to hear you here in Jamaica. You have any shows planned and things in Jamaica? Because you're there foreign and not getting...
I want to tell you no. We have a slower shows, you know, we have Pure White coming up, the 18th.
Okay.
We have Peter Tosh on the 21st. No, we have Shark Kids Seafood Fest on the 21st. And we have Peter Tosh show on the 19th.
Okay.
You understand? And then the rest of them are foreign.
Yeah.
But we don't mind, because we get to see it here, so too.
Yeah. No,
So, all right, excellent. Thank you so much.
Him say next year, we're going to tour you.
No, next year, no, the whole album we're going to tour locally next year. No.
Yeah.
The entire album will be toured here next year, like everything, you know?
No, I don't want, when I say we are tour, which I'm going to tour Jamaica.
Yeah.
In the break.
No respect, man, because we need a dance side, you know?
So, oh for God, how can we find you on social media?
And our social media platform, as usual, is official YAKSTA. And from my time in Bushla, they just go see the big dread, you know?
The big dread. Listen, thank you so much for coming. And like we said, we're so proud of you. And you're awesome. It's always a pleasure and a joy. Next time you come back, I want to hear the song live, though.
All right. Yeah, man, we're going to sing for you next time, man.
All right, thanks.
All right. So guys, remember to check on your loved ones and support each other as a community. Thank you for tuning in.
Yeah, we'll be back on Friday with much more buzz and vibe and games and a whole bag of things. Stay safe, look after yourself, walk good. We love you. Thanks for watching.
Check out the Yaksta album. Yeah.